everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you guys took a poll on my community board and you said that you liked most unboxings. So I have an unboxing for you. So this unboxing, let me find my little box cutter, my handy dandy box cutter right here with its little safety, so if you let go it goes down. So I was approached by my friend Mr. Wang, Charlie Wang, and you guys may see him in some of the community boards. He is an Amazon store, and he asked me to review this light pad. Now, I've reviewed a couple other products for him, and I have always, it's through Sander Direct. I will put the link down below, and he has always had great products. If you remember, he's the one that did the snowman set, and he's done a couple other ones I've seen people unbox, like the sunset or looking through the glass, and you see 4 different pictures. So yes, so this, when he approached me and said, would you review a light pad, I said, of course. Now the other side of the light pad had these as well. They're just stuck in the bottom of the box, but they are in there. So it came, as you saw, in an Amazon box and then a box inside. So it's nice and safe. It came with these 4 red clips. Ooh, one of the clips is broken. Oh dear. I think this might have happened at the factory source based on how it was packaged. So there's 4 red clips, but 3 are usable. And this size is supposed to be an A3. So we will measure and see. It came in this beautiful scratch resistant like foam fabric. It's got this, you know, it's nice and solid. It's got your measuring in centimeters here and here. You guys are seeing the top. Here's the turn on button. I am going to measure this. You can kind of see what the measurement is here, but I'm going to measure the light part, and it is about 42.5 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So this is a true A3. This will do a 30 by 40. It is double the size of an A4. Just so you know, as the number gets smaller, the light board gets bigger. So an A4 is going to be kind of like your 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, about this big. And then an A3 is double that size. And then an A2 is very large. I don't know if it's double the A3, but I have enjoyed the A3. Most of my paintings that I do are a 40 by 50, so it fits perfectly this way. And then I just move it up and back as I need it. So, just so you know, it does have the USB connector. Now, I prefer the ones that have the cord attached to it so that when I disconnect, I am not hurting the port. However, I have had friends give me a tip that if you disconnect from the USB side and not from the direct port into the light pad, it usually is not a problem and stays longer. So I am working to put this in. fits in nice and tight. And I'm going to plug this in. You can plug it into your computer, or if you have a, one of those plugins for like your Androids or your iPhones, you can plug it into that. And then it's got this push button. So there's 1, 2, 3 off. Now, sometimes I like to, I'm not paying attention and I'll have the light pad like this because I'm talking to you guys. And so then I'll end up hitting this, as I'm punching. So many times I will turn the light pad this way so it's further away, or I will turn it this way so that as I'm doing it, I'm not near the on-off switch. So that's just a tip for you guys. The cord is a decent length. Looks like it's probably 5 feet. I'm disconnecting it so that I can put it back in the box for safekeeping. Now, I have an A3 already. The nice thing about this is that it says, let's see here, it's 5 volt, the wattage is 10 watts, flicker free, super bright, eco-friendly LED. Excuse me. You can use it for what we use it for, diamond painting, but then also like tracing and craft projects, fabric design, photography, etc. So I plan on actually putting this potentially in my 2,500 subscriber giveaway. But who knows? I might like it enough that I keep it. I don't know. You guys will have to wait and see. But I thought this might be a good addition to that, depending on how quickly we get to the 2,500. So this is Sander Direct. I believe the price is under $40. He may have a coupon going on right now. Guys, I have not seen a light pad of an A3 of this quality below $40. Even the one I had purchased, if you go back, a couple months, I purchased one off of AliExpress. That one was like $30 some and it came damaged. And it took forever to get here. So that being the case, this is Prime on Amazon. If you have Prime, it comes within 2 days. If you don't, standard shipping cost. And Sander Direct has always been really good. They stick behind their product. And so I would highly recommend this if you're looking for an inexpensive but high quality A3 light pad. This is the one for you. It is not made cheaply. I can tell you it's got a little bit of heft to it without being heavy. It's got the brightness as you saw. It's got a really tight port, and it's got the USB connector. So all of that, I give this product 5 stars. However, it did come with a broken clip, but I do not think, based on how you saw the box, that was a shipping issue. I think that happened back at the factory. It does not affect the light pad at all, and the whole reason to buy this is for the light pad, not for the clips, because you can figure washi tape or anything to help clip it down. So 5-star rating, you guys, check it out. Sander Direct, Charlie Wang, great store, love it. Many times he'll have a 4-piece set for $19.99, so you get 4 diamond paintings for $20. That's $5 a painting, and they're really good quality, really good drills. I've tested them myself. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget Diamond Painter of the Month. Go down below. Register the people you wish to win. Somebody is donating a Treasure Art Studio painting for this coming month. So it's going to be a really good prize, a diamond painting. So vote for people, register them. The only requirement is that it is not you, it's somebody who diamond paints, and that's basically it. So if there's more than one person, fill out more than one form. So until next time, guys, love you all. Be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.